What is a variable in Python programming? Have you ever wondered how programs remember information? Variables are the answer. In Python programming, a variable is like a labeled box where you can store data values. This allows your program to reference and manipulate those values easily. Think of it as a way to give a name to a piece of information, making your code clearer and more organized. Creating a variable in Python is simple. You assign a value to a name using the equals sign. For example, if you write age equals 30, you create a variable called age that holds the integer value 30. One cool thing about Python is that it automatically figures out the type of data you are using. You do not need to declare whether it is a number, text, or another type of object. When naming your variables, there are a few rules to follow. The name must start with a letter or an underscore and can include letters, digits, or underscores. Remember, variable names are case-sensitive. So, age and age would be two different variables. A common practice in Python is to use snake case, which means using underscores to separate words, like username or total score. You can also change the value stored in a variable. If you start with count equals 5, you can later change it to count equals 10. This flexibility is one of the great features of Python. The type of a variable can change when you assign a new value of a different type. Variables have many practical uses in programming. They can store user input, keep track of counters in loops, hold results of calculations, or manage collections of data like lists and dictionaries. For instance, you might have name equals Alice, age equals 28, and fruits equals a list containing apple, banana, and cherry. Here, name holds a string, age holds an integer, and fruits holds a list of strings. If you want to check what type of data a variable holds, you can use the type function. This function helps you understand the kind of information you are working with at any given time. In Python, variables are essential tools that allow you to store, access, and manipulate data efficiently. They give you the flexibility to write clear and maintainable code, making your programming experience smoother and more enjoyable. So, the next time you write a Python program, remember the power of variables and how they can help you manage your data effectively.